replacing the alternator on Pat's 2004 Silverado Duramax because the serpentine belt broke this morning on his way to work.
Well, there's been ongoing issues where it would say battery's not charging, and it would make funny noises, almost like a bomb siren. So, of course, I buy a belt, but then I don't really look into it because it would come and go. So here we are now on my way to work this morning. It pops. I make it into a McDonald's parking lot in the worst fucking city in Connecticut. So here I am now. Oh, and there's like 5 different alternators and there's 10 different belts. So far, we're on strike 1 with the belt. And I guess I got one that is for a truck with 2 fucking alternators. Like, who the fuck needs that? So, and here's what the problem was. If I changed the belt when it first started happening, I would have noticed that the bearing in the alternators went. So it probably just moved around enough to break the belt. And the belt was at least 5 years old, maybe more. So now I'm doing a pit fucking crew repair in the worst fucking city in Connecticut without a gun. So, and here we are. What else is stuck on there? Oh God, yeah. So now it's tight. That's a train. You're wondering? Oh,
not the earthquake.
Here we go. I should have Christy bring me more, a bigger pry bar. So, in the middle of doing this shit, my mom calls, and her truck is busted, sitting in a library parking lot because she wants to watch the eclipse on fucking Monday. So, after I finish this fucking thing, now I'm going to have to go and try to fix hers. And this thing is tight. If it's tight coming out, it's going to be tight going in. But I only see 2 bolts. Alright, here it comes. Wish I had a grinding wheel. Alright, that I know at some point that's going to spark. It scared the shit out of me. Alright, it's out. I pray to God that Kid gave me the right one. Because they know everything.
AutoZone knows everything.
They know everything.
Does look good.
It does look like it. Let's see here. Yep.
Yeah.
Thank God. Well, let's not say thank God yet.
Let's try to
Alright,
get it
it's
on.
tight. Take that off because it sucks. Take that off because it's going to be a pain in the ass to get it off later. Now I got to fight with it to get it in with no fucking hammer. My son-in-law, instead of bringing a hammer to my mother's to check the starter, tap on it, he brings a fucking umbrella. Alright, this is what I'm dealing with. A freaking umbrella of all things. Alright, this is gonna suck.
Which your mother probably had in the car.
Yeah, I wouldn't doubt it.
No offense, Jeff, if you listen to this.
Yeah. Alright, that sucks. Alright, let me see what other tools I have.
Good thing he's always got some type of tools in the truck. You know, if it's not one thing, it's another. All in all, though, we gotta say he's been basically pretty lucky. He's really not had any trouble with the truck. Little things here and there, but nothing too bad. And like you said, if you looked at it like 3 weeks ago when it started, we won't be doing this right now. And now the door won't close on the truck. I may have to get him some food when he's almost done.
Thanks to my beautiful wife.
He's got a hammer.
Told
I have to get him some food when he's almost done.
Okay. Thanks to my beautiful wife.
He's got a hammer.
The toolkit she got me. I have a hammer. And normally I would just use sandpaper. To get that in there, but okay, that's one in. Let's see, does it fit? No. So tap, 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 tap. It's almost there. I don't want to hit the radiator.
No.
Alright, what else could I use? Right here.
So needless to say, we did not plan on replacing the alternator. I just brought him down tools to replace the belt. But to be on the safe side...
Well, the alternator is because of the bearing. Again, I couldn't figure that out. Alright, that's going in, which I hope it doesn't strip anything. And then I still gotta get the other side in because Hercules probably put this on the last time. And that's why it's so tight. Rubber and hammer would do great right now, but I don't have that. So, these fan blades suck. Really wish I had my impact gun. Yeah, I could tap it in now. Yep, the fan's plastic, of all things, for a fucking diesel. That's pretty smart. Alright, come on. Yep, then you should see part 2 of this when I try to go get that 97 Bravado started. But thanks to my wife, I got a battery. I mean, a hammer. I was hoping it was just a battery, but it wasn't. Unless they didn't jump it correctly. Oh, this fucking thing.
So it must be a full moon or something.
It's something.
It's gotta be. I didn't have a chance to look yet, but it's got to be a full moon. If anybody knows, comment below if it's the full moon tonight. I think it's what, the 6th?
It could be.
Well, no, that's the date. I don't know when the full moon is.
Oh, all right. We shall return because this is pissing me the fuck off.
We'll be back. Well, he got the alternator on. Now he's putting the serpentine belt back on.
Which sucks.
Did you find the screw that you dropped down there?
Yeah, I see it. It's somewhere down there. Oh, basically, this thing is a fucking mess. Right. It wants to go inside out. Doesn't want to stay straight. Fuckers, they just fuck it all up. The way they keep them in those boxes.
They do it for space, but it's a pain in the ass.
Yeah.
If it's a little bit warmer out, it may not be that bad, but it's cold.
And the no, it doesn't go like this, but let's try it. Okay, see that? did watch some videos, but they suck. Everybody's in the garage. They got a fucking lift. I'm dodging bullets. Shit's fucking falling. Well, hang on. Plus, make it even more shady, I didn't want them to steal my, oh fuck, my finger's on it, sorry. I didn't want them to steal my E85. So that's inside the truck. So that's where I am. All right, back to Christy with this fucking thing. All right. It is like the tightest fucking thing that you could do in here.
And trust me, I am trying to help, but I'm trying to stay out the way too, which is sometimes the biggest help.
It goes up around that. Back under the motherfucker I got. Did I tell you I still gotta figure out what's wrong with another fucking truck?
Yeah, I
So-
got your mother's car.
Yeah. Okay, let's see. Get the fuck in there, you douchebag.
Alright, I'll end it here and then I'll come back when we're just about done. Okay, well, he finally got the serpentine belt on, so now we're just finishing up the truck. That was a bitch.
Turns out this piece of shit has California emissions on it because it's a Northeast truck. So, totally different belt diagram. Now, the problem I'm running into is everybody deletes the smog pump. So, mine's not, so I had to figure out how the hell to put it on. So, I'm almost done buttoning it up. I think we're gonna clear, and then I could start it. We cranked it over a couple of times, and it did. The belt didn't make noise and didn't fall off. So hopefully the alternator is okay. But I'm just coming down to my last couple bolts. This guy's some crackhead around, keep walking over here. He's gonna get tossed in the dumpster pretty soon. Or traffic going up his ass. I don't know yet. But something's gonna happen to him. Of course, this last one gotta break my balls. So half this truck is regular, half of it's metric. I need to buy another toolkit to keep in this truck because I don't want to have to bother my wife again with this shit.
Looks like I got an anniversary gift to buy.
Nah.
Good thing our anniversary's coming up.
Okay, that's tight, that's tight. That one's not tight. And that one's a bitch to get to. What the fuck did I just do? Alright, that's over here. So, I have to get this down there. And I don't know if I'm going to be able to. No. It's not going to go. Because it wants to break my balls. Yep, it wants to break my balls. So, we're going to hope it holds. me try it. Stay away from the belt so I don't hit you in the eye.
Let's hope it works. Alright, done deal. Thank God.
Thank God. We gotta get back to civilization.
See you later. See you in the next video.